My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of. I have some new recipe books. This is the one you've seen before. Maw Broon's afternoon tea book. Bake with Maw Broon. Simple bakes for all the family. That looks nice. Madeira cake. How about some chocolate brownies? Can you say that name? Ekafekken. Cheese biscuits. Aha. Maw Broon's cooking with bairns. That suit me. This is Horace. Has comics in too. How to make an apple pie. This is a famous Scottish dish, mince and tatties. Maw Broon's Butt and Ben cookbook. The Butt and Ben is a little cottage in the countryside. There's a page for picnics there. I think Anita needed that one a few days ago. Barbecues too. Look, the dog stole the sausages. Nettle soup. Welsh rarebit, or as we call it, Welsh rabbit. How do they cross rabbit out? Shrove Tuesday pancakes. Painting boiled eggs for Easter. So you can expect more recipes from these cookbooks soonish.
Well, my pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.